the way that I kind of see it, it's pretty black and white in my head. Like, kids are dying, we should do something about that.
On October 7th, the Columbia City Council voted to ban conversion therapy for minors. It made Columbia the first city in Missouri to pass a ban like this one, and it began with the Commission on Human Rights and its chair, Andrea Weiner.
So that was really where it began, as we started looking into what's the process of getting something like that passed. Is it even possible? The ordinance that finally passed, I cannot tell you what version number that was, because we wrote and rewrote that thing so many times because we were so conscientious about somebody saying it was an infringement on free speech or religious freedoms, or any number of things, to meet all of the different folks in the community and that were involved in this community during the time to ban conversion therapy really sort of hardens your resolve to get it done.
The teamwork within Columbia included the Center Project and Howard Hutton, who facilitates the center's Parents for Parents group, which provides a community for parents with LGBTQ+ children. Part of the group's goal was to create a ban which can be applied to other cities, and it has been. Kansas City voted to ban conversion therapy in November.
Kansas City and St. Louis already have big communities on the ground preparing and trying to get this done anyway. And so, and we thought after the mini drafts that we did here that we finally had something that was really strong. It's fantastic. It's a party that Kansas City has passed this too. It's just a big cheer that they were able to do it so fast as well and get such a nice hearing.
Conversion therapy is the practice of attempting to make a minor conform to the traditional expectations of the gender they were born into. And these activists say not only does it not work, it also hurts the kids that endure it.
Just an unfortunate incident, or several incidents, of somebody that they trusted who broke them down, and that made me so sad and bummed me out. Bare minimum of what they want from their life is to be able to love someone and be loved in return. Like, how can you argue against that?
Because of it, internally couldn't believe that anybody really loved them. They only loved them sort of anyway, in spite of, instead of actually loving them for who they are.
For 2150, I'm Rachel Barrett.